Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Imagining a life where you call the shots and create something truly your own? Waking up excited, pursuing your passion, and feeling a sense of purpose every single day. This is the magic of starting a business. It's about turning your dreams into tangible realities. It's about taking control and building something amazing, something that reflects your vision and hard work. This journey begins with an idea, a spark of possibility that ignites your creativity. It could be a problem you want to solve, a gap you want to fill in the market, a talent you want to share with the world, or a need you see in the world that no one else is addressing. Whatever it is, hold on to that spark. Nurture it and let it grow. It's the beginning of something special, a journey that can change your life. Starting a business is a journey of learning, growth, and immense satisfaction. It's about overcoming challenges and celebrating victories. It's about transforming your dreams into reality, step by step, with dedication and perseverance. So, are you ready to take the first step, to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's explore the exciting world of entrepreneurship together and see where your spark can take you. Now, let's capture that spark and turn it into a concrete idea. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Think about your hobbies, interests, and things you excel at. Brainstorm. Write down everything that comes to mind. Don't censor yourself. Talk to friends, family, and potential customers. Get their perspectives and insights. Remember, your business idea doesn't have to be revolutionary. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the most powerful. The key is to find something you're genuinely excited about and that fulfills a need in the market. This passion will fuel your journey. You have your idea? Fantastic! Now it's time to see if it holds water. This is where research comes in. We need to understand the playing field. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and wants? Who are your competitors? What are they doing well? Where can you improve? Use online tools, surveys, and even face-to-face conversations to gather information. This research will help you refine your idea, identify potential challenges, and ultimately make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. Section 4. Building your blueprint, the business plan. A business plan is like a roadmap for your journey, guiding you through the twists and turns of the business world. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve success. Think of it as your strategic guide. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Simplicity can often be more effective. Start with a clear and concise description of your business and its offerings. What makes your business unique? Define your target market and understand your competition. Who are your customers and who are you up against? Outline your marketing and sales strategies. How will you reach your audience and convert them into loyal customers? And of course, crunch the numbers. Project your costs, revenue, and profitability. Financial planning is crucial. A well-structured business plan not only guides your actions, but also demonstrates your commitment and vision to potential investors or lenders. It's a powerful tool for turning your vision into a tangible reality, helping you piece together the puzzle of your business success. Section 5. Making it official, registering your business. You've got your idea, done your research, and crafted your plan. This is a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning. Now it's time to make it official. Registering your business is a crucial step in turning your vision into reality. Registering your business gives it a legal identity and protects your brand. It also helps build credibility with customers and partners. The process varies depending on your location and business structure. Each region has its own set of rules and regulations. You'll need to choose a business name, one that reflects your brand and is unique. Next, decide on the structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, etc., and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. These are essential for legal operation. Government websites and local business support organizations can guide you through the process. They offer valuable resources and support. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice from lawyers or accountants if needed. Their expertise can save you time and money. Remember, a strong legal foundation sets your business up for success. It ensures you are compliant and ready to grow. Section 6. Take the leap. Your journey starts now. Starting a business takes courage, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. But remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions have walked this path before you, and many more will follow. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. Your business is a reflection of your passion and hard work. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and watch your dreams unfold. The world needs what you have to offer. Take the leap, put in the effort, and make your mark. Your business journey starts now.